guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we will be going hunting for birds. My goal is to get a bird because they've been pooping under my damn four-wheeler and it's making me super mad. So we got a pellet gun here. It's not a real gun, it's a pellet gun. I'm gonna go hunt for some birds. Let's take 2 bullets with us. Hope we get some. No, Bobo. That's my dog. Keep an extra one. Just in case you guys have to shoot one twice. Or if I miss. Okay, guys, let's load this baby up. Okay, YouTube, might probably have to blur this, guys. Wait, no, I won't have to because hunting channels can do this. I guess I can too, right? Okay, guys. There's a bird right there. Really quiet. Where'd he go? Guys, I'm trying to find this guy. There he is. Where'd he go? Guys, I missed. That was a really bad angle. Let's reload this guy. Oh, man, I forgot how bad this gun is. Okay. It's a rock, it's not it. Where'd it go? Guys, my bullet's lost. There it is. Guys, I found it. I couldn't find it. There we go. Let's get a bird now. Sorry guys, I'm almost sick, so I'm probably gonna be a lot of coughing in this video. I'm gonna try to get that pigeon. I see him. I see him. I see him. Can't get a shot. Can't get a shot. There you go. I got this. God damn it, they saw me. Damn thing saw me. They gone. They gone. The hell is a bird, man? I think they're back. I wonder if I got him or not. I got him, guys, I think. Never mind, that's a leaf. Okay, guys, I'll cut back and try to find him. Guys, I did not find him. So, yeah. He's screwed. Okay, so I think I'm going to try to get him one more time. I definitely got that guy. There's no way I didn't get him. There's no way I didn't get him. I did get him because I saw his you know, like when you shoot a bird and they do that weird flapping thing. So I know I got him. Well, bird accomplished. So that's good. Your egg fell down. That's good. We don't like these birds. Sorry for bird lovers, but we hate these things. So yeah. Let's go, man. I don't know where the other one went, but that guy probably's dead. Let's go, guys. We got a bird. I know we did. There's a little blood. There's blood. So yeah. He's probably on top of that camper. So yeah, good video, guys. That was a success. And decent video, in my opinion. Second video of my random YouTube channel. Probably get a video on the weekend of me driving the 4-wheeler and doing some little like bumps. So yeah. Love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Pound it.